Hey everyone, in this short video, I'm going to show you how to add a form to one of your pages in ThoughtFarmer. This presumes that you've already created a form in the form builder, and next you're going to add it to your intranet to make it active. The first thing we want to do is head over to our intranet and add a new page to build our form. On the right-hand side of your page in the content type, we now have a new option available. It's called Form, so we're going to select that down here. What you will see here is that there's a field now where I can select the form I want to place on this page. So if I start typing the name of the form, it will come up, I will select it, and now my form is effectively associated with this new page. This was a different kind of form, for example, one that you're using more for maintaining information like contractors that your organization works with, you can choose the entries list form. But for this case, because it's just a simple form, I will leave the first option selected. And now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and publish it. And then we have a live page with a live form over here. So it's just that easy. Now I'm going to move to my other browser where I'm logged in as a different user. I'm logged in here as Angel. And we're going to assume that Angel is booking some vacations and she's going to fill out this leave request form. So I'm submitting my request here as Angel. Thank you for your submission. Now what I'm going to do is jump back into my other window where I'm still logged in as Caroline. And you'll notice here that there's now an alert waiting for Caroline. She's the initial reviewer of the leave request form. So if I click on this, you'll notice that I have a notification here that shows me all of the form entries that are waiting for action from me. So I can click on the leave request one here. It's going to show me all of the form entries that are assigned to me and that are form entries from within that leave request form. You can play around with this list here as well. You can remove those filters, choose to view entries in all forms or specific ones. You can also take a look at all of the open entries or, for example, only the ones that are assigned to you. So I'm looking at Angel's vacation request here. I can click on it, review all of the information that she has filled out here. And now if I wanted to add some additional information in this section here that is only available for managers and human resources staff, I can do that here. I can go and change the status and the assignee of this form entry right here. So in this case, I'm going to change it from submitted to under review, and I will now assign it to somebody in our human resources team. One of the things that you have access to as a form reviewer is you can see all of the activity here on your form. So if I take a look at the activity here, that shows me all of the things that happened on this particular form entry, from the moment where Angel submitted the form, as well as all of the actions that I have taken. You can also add notes here. When you post a note, you can choose to only send that note to the other form reviewers, or if you leave this unchecked, everybody who is able to view this form entry will be able to see that comment.